Hi, this is Shannon Proctor with a quick tour of my Canvas course. We're going to start here on the profile page, which I've updated with my own profile image, as well as a brief bio. Moving on to notifications, you can see that most of my notifications are turned off, only a few with a weekly summary, fewer still with a daily summary, and only one where I want instant notifications. From here, we're going to go to the dashboard where I have my sandbox, which is my practice course, as well as the Math 7 course, which I have created and customized with this beautiful image. Here is our landing page, but before that, let's take a look at the navigation. I've included modules because that's the quickest and best way to get through a course, as well as assignments, quizzes, discussions, and grades. Those are all the things that interest students the most. Back to that home page, you can see I have some text information, links to an outside source, as well as a link to two different links to pages that are within the Canvas course. We also have each one of these images will link in the future to a module. They are not set up right now. Each one of these links is live, however, taking us to a different folder within OneDrive so that students can access class notes. We are in expressions. That is the module that I have created. In this module, I actually have two modules, numeric expressions and algebraic expressions. You can see that prerequisites to accessing this second module are that completion of the first module. That first module has requisites as well. Those requirements are at least 75% on the test or the quiz and the assignment, as well as viewing this particular page and contributing to the discussion page. Let's take a look at the module. Navigating through this, we have our introduction page. I have an assignment. This is just an assignment that students will submit on paper but can be tracked here in Canvas. This is an assignment that students have to submit through Canvas. It even includes a rubric so that students know exactly what kind of a grade they're going to be getting based on the work that they do. Moving on, we have a video page, followed by another video page, followed by another assignment which students will submit on paper, and a quiz. I'm super proud of this quiz. I have 5 different questions. The first 2 are just numeric answers. The third question is a multiple dropdown. Fourth question is matching. Fifth question is the one I'm most proud of. It's a formula question. Took forever to figure this out, but each one of these numbers that you see here are going to be randomly generated. So each time the student accesses the quiz, they will get a different set of numbers, and each student will get a different set of numbers. And finally, question 6 is multiple choice. Now that the quiz is graded, let's go ahead and move on to discussion. In this discussion, I have given students 3 different prompts that they can respond to, as well as asking them to kindly comment as well as like other student responses. From here, we have now completed the expressions module and are moving on to algebraic expressions. Rather than work through that whole entire module, we'll hit up the key features. Introduction page, video. We have multiple assignments. Each one of these assignments are also submitted on paper. We do have access to virtual algebra tiles, and we have another quiz. This quiz has 12 different questions. Each one of those questions is multiple choice, and we can finish up here with this discussion. In this discussion, I am asking students to only respond to just one single prompt, but students are expected to like other students' responses. They're going to kind of vote on which response was the most thorough. That's it for the Canvas course. I certainly learned a lot, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.